Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kissy Unstoppable. Yes. So guys, today I'm gonna feature a video with Prime Minister Andrew Holness talking about criminal gangs in Jamaica. So guys, before me take you all into the video right now, I want to know like, share, and if you are not already subscribed, want to subscribe right now, and don't forget to put on your post notification so you know each time goodie upload a video. Let me take you all over to the video right now.
It is the intention of the government to not just disrupt, but to totally undermine and uproot the criminal gangs and the networks that they have formed. Not just to address the street-level criminals, but to address those who facilitate, support, and give succor to the street-level criminals. We should never believe that the street-level criminals operate on their own. They are financed. They use our banking network. They are well connected. They use our telecommunications infrastructure. They have good transportation. They use our roads. They buy our cars. And they use them in the commission of crimes. It took us 40 years to get here. It is not going to change overnight. But the message is that the government will be persistent, determined, and instrumental in its actions. We ask for the understanding of our international partners in this regard. After all, this is what they have been asking us to do in taking charge of this problem. Jamaica is the center of the Caribbean. We're the center of culture, arts, lifestyle, entertainment, innovation. We will become the center of economic activity, growth, and prosperity.
Holding our vibes, you know. But what's constantly been on my mind is the situation in Jamaica, in the world, but in Jamaica especially, because that's where I'm from. Jamaican, red-blooded through and through, you know. And can't stop thinking about Jamaica, you know what I mean? I'm in the UK now still, and every decision, every move I make is with the intention of settling back in Jamaica, you know. But I'm in Jamaica on a regular. Yeah, it's been a couple of years now since I've been back, but I'm in Jamaica on a regular. Yeah, so I started writing a new track, and I've sussed out the beat for it and everything already, you know what I mean? But I started to share a little bit of it with you guys, because you know what? Jamaica will get loose and slack and no love. I can't understand why I go on. Remember back in the day when it was, you know, you this one, grow this one, son, and you know, it was a matter of, you know, everybody respected everybody, and especially when you come from a small community, everybody knew each other in the community and things like that. And yeah, people just have to have manners to the elders, you know. We just have to respect the elders and have manners. Nowadays it's like the place has become so loose that not even the parents can control their own kids, you know what I mean? And I blame it on low resistance and all of them things still, because if you have a youth, you must can control youth and talk to you, but you have to teach you them from them young. True. Say manners and respect. You know, because my aunt to my youth them straight. Manners and respect. Yeah, me no let that go. No matter how small it is, me no let it go. Yeah, manners and respect. You know, that's how I was brought up, and that's how I teach my youth them. You know what I mean? And I have a feeling that if more of us had maintained certain standards that we were taught when we were growing up, things we would be in a better place. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is it. My heart cries out to Jamaica. I have seen a turn for the worst in the cities. It is the worst that I've seen in our history. We have lost our love for humanity. Sweet Jamaica, the day it was you and I. Now instead of love it seems the guns are in more supply.
Jeez.
We can resolve our problems through conversations. It doesn't have to end in violence for all situations. Yeah, Jamaica, we need to stop and check, man, and, you know, we need to stop and check and get the thing back in order. Because Jamaica land we love, you know how small our country is in comparison to what's out there in the world, in comparison to the little that I have seen. And everywhere you go and you say, yo, I'm from Jamaica, they're like, oh, Bob Marley, or oh, Usain Bolt. Or, and I say to them all the time, yeah, there's that, but there's a lot more to Jamaica. You know what I mean? So you lot need to go down and experience it firsthand. You know what I mean? I always say to them, don't let anyone tell you about Jamaica. You need to experience it for yourself. You know what I mean? And yeah, I'm hoping that I've managed to convince a few people to visit our beautiful island. But here, the killing have to stop, man. Too much. Every day, men killing women, brothers killing sisters, sisters killing brothers. Come on, man. I don't want to hear about no end of time. You understand? We were a Christian-like nation. What's gone wrong? We need to fix up Jamaica. Yeah? Now, I'm an artist. Yeah? A budding artist. And I'm going to be doing some tracks, and I'm pretty soon you'll be hearing them. You know what I mean? And all of that with Jamaica in mind. Yeah? Big up Jamaica every time. Every time, big up Jamaica. So the thing set. Yeah? Peace and love. Alright? Oh, one more thing. May I try to reach out to the artists them who are big up themselves, and I said them are artists and them are represent. You guys need to start representing the youths of tomorrow, because they are the future. You understand? Start teaching them the right things. You know, a lot of people can take this personal. But my Lord, and my goddesses, if you have bleach out your skin, that is not a good role model. You understand? You're not teaching them to love themselves. The man have to love themselves higher. Yeah? Black I am and black I shall remain. Look at me. Black I am and black I shall remain. The only thing we have changed color on my beard, gray hair. You see it? Nah, bleach higher. I mean, I try to put out a positive message, so I don't want to get offended by it. But if you get offended, that's how the thing said. But we have to teach you them, the true fundamentals of growing up and growing a nation, and that is to love thyself first, and then we can love everyone else. You understand? Have some self-respect, have some self-motivation. You understand? There's a lot to be said and a lot to be done in Jamaica, and we are trying to be ambassadors of Jamaica, even when we're not there. You understand? Jamaica, me love it bad. That's why I always go back to Jamaica. And when a man I talk about, me enough guy I talk about them now return to Jamaica. I know I said PS, but boy, my story long, you know. You know enough guys said them now go back to Jamaica. Right? And me don't know what that, unless you're a fugitive higher. But I, man, Jamaica, straight. Yeah, man. Every year, man. Well, almost every year now. Yeah? I'm in Jamaica. Enjoying myself. Seeing our beautiful island. Yeah? Yeah, man. I never try to earth higher, but Jamaica, we always head back to Jamaica. That's how it is. Yeah? Blessed love. Peace. Manners.